Hello, and welcome to our channel Pursuit of Wealth. This channel is your ultimate destination for learning about finance and wealth, investing and crypto, informational and educational trends in finance management. If you are someone who wishes to become wealthy and are looking for smart money management options, then we are fortunate to have found each other. According to statistics, 59% of Americans live paycheck to paycheck. And with around 40% of Americans in credit card debt, it takes most of them their entire lives to become debt-free. It would help if you were looking to start getting passive income to become debt-free sooner, or have some additional spending money for leisure or investments. This is why today we will bring you tons of ideas with which you can make passive income. Let us begin. Number 1. Vending machine. Vending machines are an asset that will bring you a consistently sweet income stream. In the United States, there are currently 5 billion vending machines. These machines produce an annual average of $20 billion per year. To earn a decent passive income through a vending machine, you need to put the machine in the right spot. You need to insert it in a location where people can access it daily. You will also need to know the right products to keep in it, determining your selling success rate. If you want a tip, you can put this vending machine in a place where hot food is hard to find. This will deliver a steady income every week. Number 2. Printing business. With t-shirt printing in demand for several years now, it is expected to hit a value of $10 billion by 2025. The best part about printing on demand business is that items can be customized and shipped off to customers around the globe. Several platforms will help you outsource this business of yours. This can be considered an excellent option for passive income if website designing is your thing. Number 3. REIT. An additional source of income is something possible using the Real Estate Investment Trust, or REIT. This is the definition of a truly passive income because you'll earn money without being an active part of the entire process. You collect earnings made from investment portfolios and reap the rewards. Being a REIT investor comes with a lot of good perks. It involves shallow risk, a nice passive income consistently, and a 10% rate of return on an annual basis. Number 4. Airbnb your room. Have an extra room at home that is barely used? Airbnb it. Renting out your spare room on Airbnb helps you rent out your room 2 times higher than its regular price. Putting up your rental on Airbnb requires you to maintain the room and ensure it has all the amenities a tenant needs. A good plus of renting your room out is that you'll be able to cover the entire maintenance cost. It is a neat way to make some nice passive income. Number 5. Become a silent partner in a business. Whenever the talk of investing in a business is heard, it is usually something as big as investing in the stock market. The truth could not be farther from that. There are also small businesses that need looking after in which you can take part as a silent business partner. You can partner with many successful small business owners, with you being the investor and them being the ones who scale the business. Number 6. Sell your media online. The internet has allowed you to do one incredible thing. You can monetize absolutely anything out there. This includes all kinds of videos and photos, which is how passive income can be built up. If you know even a little bit of photography or videography, then have a go at uploading them on different websites. If someone ends up using your footage or pictures, you'll get paid for that. This way, you'll make some money off of your hobby. Number 7. Affiliate marketing. Selling other people's products that brings you a commission is known as affiliate marketing. If someone buys someone else's product through you, you get a little profit off of the deal since the buyer comes through your link. This way of earning passive income requires minimal effort, so why not try this? If you know a lot of people, then this is going to do you a whole lot of good. Number 8. Advertise your car. Believe it or not, people have managed to make some seriously good money by advertising things on their cars. You can make great money from a specific product when you advertise it. Your car is a mobile advertising medium, which means that wherever you take your car, the product will be advertised, and when you find buyers for that product, you'll get a profit for yourself. Several companies even give you a salary to do this. Number 9. Incentives from the government. Loaning money to the government is probably one of the safest investment methods on this list. The government will use your money to improve the features of the state, such as building schools, hospitals, or roads. This money will come back to you in terms of government incentives when the government is done with those projects and money starts coming back to them. The income can vary, but this is a great way to earn some side money without making any effort. Enjoying till now? Please hit the like button, share, and comment. And yes, keep watching. Number 10. Dividends. The regular payments made to investors owning a company stock are called dividends. A company makes these payments to share profits with investors who put money into that stock. These people are called stockholders. This is known as passive income because regular payments are made to investors, and returns are quite healthy. If you would like to be a part of dividends, then search for stocks that provide dividends and buy a good number of shares of that particular company. After a fixed tenure, you'll receive a dividend. Number 11. Start selling courses online. Selling different kinds of courses on the internet is one of the most creative passive income ideas that have popped up in the following years. This has happened courtesy of the pandemic, where people were forced to stay in their homes while learning new skills. With several platforms available, you can share a course on anything you have command over. It could be a subject or a skill, and when people buy this course, you'll automatically get paid for it. Number 12. App development. App development has been present for ages now. The development of an app will bring you a good passive income in more than one way. Firstly, you will be able to charge a fee for people who want to buy the premium version of your app. And secondly, you can make your app completely free while having ads in it. Do what you think is the right option because both options have the potential to bring you a good income. Number 13. A store for dropshipping. E-commerce has been on the rise ever since the pandemic struck. This is the concept of dropshipping. It is where a vendor doesn't keep the product with themselves as they sell. Instead, when a product is sold using the dropshipping model, it is purchased from another person and sent directly to the customer who has bought it. This way, the product isn't handled by the seller directly. Number 14. Start YouTube. Becoming a content creator seems to be the in thing now because, as great as video sharing platform is, you can manage to make some good money because of it. The magical way to make money on YouTube is by collecting ad revenue. Once your channel is monetized, you will be paid money for showing ads. Number 15. Rental income. Next, we have rental income. Investing in rental properties is an effective way to earn passive income. However, the investor needs to do some work. The investor needs to understand and decide which property is the best to invest in and bring a good income. But when you find the best opportunity after proper research of your own, you'll benefit from it if you invest in it. Number 16. Lending money to a borrower. It's great to help someone, right? You can start doing that while also keeping a small cut for the money people owe you, and this is called lending money to a borrower. Multiple online platforms give you this opportunity. You can background check for borrowers who will pay back the money they've taken from you. Being a lender, interest payments are what bring your money back to you. This passive income idea brings in some solid returns. Number 17. Blogging. We're all a part of at least one social media website, right? It might be time to make money off of that. Blogging is a successful venture model and is an excellent method to have a passive income stream. You can do a wide range of things, from selling products to creating sponsored posts and running advertisements. It helps people set up multiple income streams. That's why it is so popular. Number 18. Start selling ebooks. Selling an ebook on the internet is good to score some healthy passive income. However, it is so down on our list because it will require you a lot of time since you'll have to write an ebook yourself. Whenever a copy is sold, you'll make money on that. But writing a book isn't that easy. You'll need to write, edit, make a cover, and then upload it to a platform where people can buy it from. Amazon Kindle Direct Publishing is easily the best platform for this venture. Number 19. Rent out your parking spot. Living in a busy city means that you'll come across thousands of cars daily. Make this opportunity count and start earning a passive income from it when you aren't using your spot. Utilize car facilitation services that will help you list your car parking spot. You can also rent it out and earn passive income from it. Number 20. Become a part of sleep studies. It doesn't get better than getting paid to sleep. This is what sleep studies are all about. As their name suggests, physiological and psychological tests are conducted before selecting participants for this kind of study. However, the small catch is that you will be told to keep away from your phone and real-life interactions for a fixed period. But this minor inconvenience is worth it, considering the reward you'll be getting later on. Covering all the expenses in today's world is not so easy. As it said, if you have one source of income, you are just one step away from poverty. Making passive income sources is crucial if you want to succeed in life and retire early. We hope that our ideas will help you make the right choice for yourself. Please subscribe to the channel, like the video, and press the bell icon for more amazing content about wealth management and finance-related videos. Success is coming your way. Keep your doors open. See ya till the next time.